Hi guys, welcome. So today we are going to see class 4. So download the class 4 working file from the website. So click here and download it. So now open the file. So today we are going to see about inventory management system. So as yesterday we have done about your billing system. So the billing system has to be connected to the inventory management system where it manages the inventory. Okay. So when we talk about inventory, there are 4 things that is we need to do. First one is opening stock. So opening stock is whenever you start your day or start your firm. So that day you have to have your opening stock. So whatever you are purchasing, that you will be entering in your opening stock. Okay, that is in the initial day starting, whatever that you have it in your stock, that is going to be your opening stock. And the next thing is the purchase. That day whatever that you are purchasing, that will come to your purchasing stock. And the next one is sales. So that day whatever that sales that you are going to make is your sales. And the next one is you need to find out the closing stock. Okay, so closing stock, that is a simple formula: opening stock plus purchase minus sales, that is going to give you the closing stock. Okay, and we can do plenty of analysis with that. So you can make it like whether whatever items that you have to order that day, whatever that are available, so how much is the sales in each items, and even you can find out what are the fast moving goods, slow moving goods, and non moving goods. So like that you can do plenty of things in your inventory. Okay, so now let us jump into the experiment. So now you create a duplicate of this. So for that you just right click over the sheet name and click move or copy and move to end and create a copy. Okay, so your duplicate is ready. So now I just want only the opening stock, so I have to delete everything. So keep your cursor on top of the column name and select all the column other than your opening stock. So right click over top of the column and delete. Okay, so now you will be having only your opening stock. So now I have to find out the other things. Okay, so now select the opening stock and right click, copy. Okay, and keep it over here, right click, paste special. I just want only the formats, so click formats and click OK. Okay, so now I'll just type date. Okay, and remaining things I just copy it from here. Okay, so I just want item code, name, price. So I'll adjust the column. Okay, so this is going to be your purchase or stock in. Okay, so say for example yesterday I have bought one item called truck tires. Okay, so that is SP001. So I have to do the entry. Okay, so I just type SP001 means my name, price has to come automatically. So for that I have to use nested function, which is if this code is equal to 0, you just print space. Otherwise you use VLOOKUP. Okay, and the lookup values your item, comma, this is your table array, comma, the table column index is 2 and you have to type false, close the bracket, you will get your names here. Okay, so now you can do the same for your price. So equal to, if open bracket, this code is equal to 0 means you have to print 0, otherwise use VLOOKUP. The column lookup value is your item code, and this is your table array, and the column index is 3 and you have to type false. Okay, so now your price also has come. So now you can drag this till the last, and this also you can drag this till the last. Okay, so to find out the stock value, we can multiply the price into units. Okay, so that gives you the price. Say whatever that you are giving, you will get it. Okay, so now you can drag it to the last. Okay, so now purchase is done. So same way you have to do the sales. Okay, so copy the purchase. Okay, and paste it over here. Okay, just paste it. Okay, so you will get these things. Now we can use the same formula, equal to if open bracket the item code which is equals to 0 means you can print 0, otherwise you can do VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP open bracket, so item code comma, press F3, you will get your table name which is table 1 comma 3 comma false. Okay, you will get your price as well. So now you can drag these two things. Okay, so you will get your formulas copied. So units you can type it, and to find out the total value, stock into total number of units, you will get your total value. So now what you can do is you can copy this entire purchase. Okay, right click and copy, and you can paste it over here. Okay, so just change this purchase to sales or stock out. Okay, so it is almost going to be the same. Okay, so here instead of item code, we'll just change the item code alone. We'll sell some different product which is SPO4. Okay, now next thing we have to find out the closing. For that you just copy the opening, the entire thing of opening, you just copy it and paste it over here. Okay, as I told you, you need three things. Okay, so we need opening, closing, opening, purchase and sale, so that we can find out the closing. So we need to have 3 more columns to be added. So just right click over here and insert, you will get 3 more columns. So the units here is nothing but your opening, because we copied it from opening. Okay, so next you just go to the next one and find out purchase, next one sales, next one closing. Okay, so in order to find out the purchase, you have to use sum ifs. Okay, sum ifs, go to purchase table. Okay, so in that you just select this units. Okay, so that is your purchase. You just press F4, your cells will be freezed. That is your sum range. Now the criteria, again you have to go to your purchase, and then the criteria is going to be your code. Press F4, your cells will be freezed, and you select the item code in your closing. Okay, so just close it, this will be done. So this is your closing stocks. Okay, so now purchase is done. Same way we have to do it for sales also, equal to sum ifs open bracket. So the sum if range is, you have to go to sales table, and then select the sum range, press F4 comma, then you just go to the same one, that is sales, in that select your code and press F4 comma, come to the closing, in that press item code, so that close your thing. This will be your sales. So now drag this, your sales will be ready. So for closing, I told you the formula, opening plus your purchase minus your sales, that gives you the closing. Okay, so now to find out the stock value, equal to closing multiplied with your price. Okay, so that gives you the stock value. So here I just want to find out whether it is available or not. So status, I need to check. So status is, if it is less than, it means that it is reorder. Less than 10 means, okay, so equal to, if the closing is less than 10, okay, I have to print it as reorder. Okay, otherwise I have to print it as available. Okay, so close the bracket. So now you just drag this, go to condition formatting, in that highlight the text which contains reorder, so that I can find out. Okay, so if you click, it will come. Okay, so this is very simple. You can try it out. If you have any doubts, you just let me know. Thank you.